Hello guys, so today we're talking about exponential functions or indices. And on the right hand side we have the laws of indices. We have 1 up to 8 that I believe that if you're able to familiarize yourself with all these laws, exponential function questions will be very easy for you to solve it. Now let's move with examples that we have on the board here. This is part 1, and it says we should simplify the following. Now A, it says base m exponent 7 times base m exponent 3. Now if you look at the laws of indices, the first law, it says if you have base a exponent m, we have the base a exponent m. Here, the base a exponent m and the base a exponent n, the law says that we have base a exponent m plus n. Now, since the bases are the same, the law holds. So when you come to the first question where we have base m exponent 7, base m exponent 3, since the bases are the same, then our first law can be applied. So what we have to do simply is to write the base, which is the m, then we have the exponentials. We have 7, since it's the multiplication, becomes plus 3. So our answer becomes base m exponent 10. That becomes our final answer. This is our final answer. Now let's move to question B. These are just the simplifications. So this is part 1. Now B, we have exponent 8 and 5 with the bases the same, n and n. So if you look at the second law of the indices, we have, when we have the same base a exponent m divided by base a exponent n, it says that we will have base a exponent m minus n. So since it's a division sign, we will just write the base, which is base n. The exponent, since it's a division, we have 8 minus 5, and that gives us base n exponent 8 minus 5 gives us 3. That becomes the final answer. This is our final answer. So we have base n exponent 3. Now let's move to the question C. Now the question C, it says we have the base 16 exponent negative 3 over 4. Base 16 exponent negative 3 over 4. How do we solve this? Now when you look at the law of the indices, the number 4, it says when you have base a exponent negative m, it equals 1 over base a exponent m. So when we apply this law, it becomes 1 over 16 exponent 3 over 4. Now we can further simplify this as 1 over the 16. We can change the base. So we can change the base to base 2 exponent 4, because base 2 exponent 4 gives us 16. So we have this representing the 16 multiplying 3 over 4. We can further simplify this as, by expanding the bracket, we have base 2 exponent 4 multiplying 3 over 4. Then you realize that this exponent 4 here takes this 4. Then our simplified form becomes 1 over 2 exponent 3, since the 4 and this 4 cancel each other. then your final answer is going to be 1 over 2 exponent 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, which gives us what? 8. So the final answer for the question C is going to be 1 over 8. So guys, this is just the part 1. I will be uploading the part 2 very soon, which is going to be a little bit complicated. Then we move to part 3, which is a little bit complex. These type of part 1 questions mostly comes in the MCQ, which is the multiple choice questions. If you familiarize yourself with the laws of the indices, all questions that will be presented to you with respect to indices or exponential functions will be very easy for you. All right, guys, don't forget laws of indices. Familiarize yourself with the law of 1 through 8. If you have the laws of the indices at your hand, any questions presented to you with respect to indices will be very easy for you to do it. Thank you, guys. See you next time. Bye.